Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Mathematics Point. I hope you are all well at your places. So students, what we have learned today, we will learn question 5 of chapter 2 NSM 1 Integers, Rationals and Real Numbers exercise 2D. So students, I just write down the question 5 part A, and if you see the earlier videos that of this exercise 2D, that is related to the questions of fractions. Basically it is all about the solving of fractions, rather the mixed form and improper fractions with multiplication involving the division and subtraction sign. So students, question 3 is similar to question 5, and I didn't solve the question 2 and question 4 because these questions was related to solve the questions with the help of calculator. So if you have the problem that question, so you can put in the comment box, so I will solve that questions on your request. So start with question 5. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, you can see that in question 5 part A we have a fraction, some fractions, and involving the bracket sign, the bracket as well as the multiplication or minus sign. So firstly, when there is a multiplication, so there is no need to take the LCM. I just have told you in my previous question, you just have to cut out the terms. Now look at this question and see there is possible any cutting. Yes, you can see that if I observe the cross terms, 15 and 3 came in the same table, as well as 8 and 64 are come in the same table. So we'll do the cross cutting. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now 1 and 8 they didn't solve. Now look at the 8 and 5. Again 8 and 5 didn't come in the same table. You just have to write the terms that we have got in the after the simplification. 8 divided by 5, and what is the next term here? 1 and 1. Now we have to multiply the numerator. So in the numerator we have 8 and 1. 8 1s are 8 and 5 1s are 5. Now we have a new fraction that is 8 by 5. If you look at the fraction, so they see that it is an improper fraction. Why? So it is an improper fraction because our numerator is bigger than our denominator. So to simplify this, we have to divide 8 by 5. 5 1s are 5, and 5 minus 8 is 3. Now you have to write this quotient, remainder, and divider in the form of twice in the form of mixed fraction. Write down your remainder in the top, and your quotient will be right on the left side, and your divisor towards your remainder or your denominator. So now we have the mixed form, that is 1 whole 3 by 5. It is all about your part A. Now we'll do the part B. So here's the part B of question 5. Students, you can see that we have a division sign between the two fractions. So firstly we have to convert this division sign in the multiplication sign. I just write out the term fraction, that is 4 by 15. Now when we convert this division sign in the multiplication sign, so there is no need to place the division sign, but is need to place the multiplication. Okay. When you convert your division sign into multiplication, the term that is next to division sign will be written as or converted into reciprocal. Reciprocal means that your term will be inverted. Inverted means that your term will be opposite. You can say your term will be shifted, as your numerator will become your denominator and denominator will become your numerator. You just have to opposite your term. आपकी term basically उलट जाती है. Now in the next step, what is need to do? There is a multiplication sign, so we have to cut down our terms. You can see that there is a cross cutting in our terms. 3 and 15 came in the same table, and 4 and 10 again come in the same table. So we have to cut down our term in the cross cutting. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. So what is our next fraction? That is 2 by 5 and minus, put this minus as well, multiplication minus 1 by 5. Now in the next term we just have to multiply our terms. 2 1s are 2 and plus minus minus. 5 5s are 25. So in the answer we have get the proper fraction, so there is no need to more simplify this. It is all done with part B. Now we'll do the part C. Now in part C, multiply 8 with 6. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49 by 8, and put it this minus and as well. Now write on the next term as it. So as it is a multiplication sign, you have to do the cross cutting, and cross cutting is possible. Yes, possible. Of 49 and 14, 3 and 8 is not possible, so we have to do cross cutting of 14 and 49. 7 2s are 40, 7 7s are 49. Now from here we get 7 by 8, and from here we get 3 by 2. Yes. Now again you can see that there's any possible cutting or the cross cutting, or rather up and down, no. So we have to multiply 3 7s are 21 plus minus minus 2 4 8s are 16. Now this fraction is improper fraction because we have bigger term in a numerator, so we just have to divide this term. 21 by 16. 16 1s are 16. Now subtract 61 from 16 from 21, get the answer 5. Now you have to write in your division. Okay, sign is minus, put up the minus sign, then your terms will be right on the cyclic process. 5 will be shifted upward, then 1 on the left side, and 16 in the downward towards the denominator. So that is your part C of question 5. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Part A. Again we have the mixed form. Firstly we have to convert this mixed form into fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2, and what is the sign here? That is minus. Put at your minus sign. Now multiplication for 5s are 20 plus 2 22. Now there is a multiplication sign, so already in multiplication there's no need to convert in other sign. When we have the division sign, so in that case we have to convert that division sign into multiplication. But in this question is already in the multiplication, so there's no need to convert any other sign and convert your term in the reciprocal, because students mostly do this mistake that whenever there's also the multiplication sign, they are getting confused and they convert next term in the reciprocal. That is wrong. Okay, you have to only convert your term in the reciprocal when there is a division, and you have to when you convert your division into multiplication. Now I just simplified to do the cross cutting. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 in both the situation, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So what we have get next, first of all put the minus sign, minus, then 1, and what is left in the denominator? 1. What is the sign next? Multiplication. Now this, after solving this fraction, we have get next new, that is 1 by 1, 11 by 1. Now multiply plus minus minus. 11 1s are 11 and 1 1s are 1. Students, when there ever is a 1 in the denominator, so there is no need to write that 1, so we just have to write minus 11. There's no need to write the 1 in the denominator, because when we write anything in the denominator, then definitely there is a 1. So that is your part D of question 5. Okay, in part D we have 1 whole minus 1 whole 1 by 4. Okay, I just tried this one and it is look like that 11 by 4, but sorry, that is 1 whole 1 by 4. I mean writing ही कुछ ऐसी है. So first of all you have to solve this. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 minus 5 by 4. Yes. Now what is next? Division sign, then 8 by 3. 3 by 8. So student, if you observe the last question, this question, the last we have the multiplication sign. So in that case, we just have to solve or simplify our question. But in this question, you can look at your question. We have the division sign between the two fractions. So first of all, you have to solve this division sign. So this division sign will be converted into multiplication. I just change this division into multiplication, and whenever this division sign change into multiplication, the next term will become the reciprocal. So we write this term 8 by reciprocal means that you have to invert your term. आपकी term जो upward down हो जाएगी. Then do the cross cutting. Cross cutting, you can also do the up and down cutting. So cross cutting is possible of this term. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 and 5 again, both are prime numbers, and 2 by 3. So this is all the cutting that we have done in this step. Next more is not possible. So you have to write down your term again. From here we have 5 and denominator 1. Then from this 2 by 3. Yes. Now simplify your term. So 5 2s are 10 plus minus minus, and 3 1s are 3. Now look at your fraction.
Look at the fraction.
Okay, minus 10 by 3. You have to convert this improper fraction into mixed form. So we divide 10 by 3. 3 3s are 9, and 10 minus 9 1. So write down this term. Okay, first of all place the minus sign, 1 at the top, 3 towards the left side, that is towards your divisor, and your divisor towards your remainder. So this is alhamdulillah with your part, done with your part A. Now we'll move towards the part F. Now part F is minus 8 by 3 on division, and this. So first we will convert or mix fraction into fraction. 8 by 3 divided by minus. Now 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 5 by 3. Now in the next step we have to convert this division sign into multiplication. 8 by 9 multiply by minus. The next term will become reciprocal, so we write on 3 by 5. Your term will be inverted. Now what is need to do, we just do cutting at this step. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. बस और तो कोई कटिंग हो नहीं रही. So minus 8 by 3, just write down the terms and multiply by minus 1 by 5. Minus minus plus, so that is your own choice. Rather you want to write this plus sign or not. 8 1s are 8. Okay, minus minus plus you can round. And 3 5s are 15. As it is a proper fraction, because we have a smaller term in the numerator, so there is no need to simplify more. Just write down 8 by 15. Okay, rather if you want to write the plus sign or not, that is all well. And mostly we didn't put the plus sign with the terms. So that is your part F. Alhamdulillah, we have done with the question 5. So students, if you have still any query, put your query in the comment box, and you can solve this question with any method that seems easy to you. Inshallah, I will come with the next video soon. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay healthy, and at the end, very important thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and like the video. Allah Hafiz.